Sunday here at the shop, and I figured because it's quiet, we'll do a quick tour. Show you this guy right here. That's a 96 D1 with a 5-speed manual. Here's the Unimog with the composite body. We've been just chipping away, wrapping this up. Fuel tank wasn't on here before. That's custom. Propane tank mounted. Battery box with a cutoff switch. Added a spare tire mount up front. We're working on tying some of the electrical up in here, and then this thing will be heading down the road. The VW Type 2 is very close to being done. This will be hitting the road this month as well. All these vehicles we're going to do a more in-depth tour on. This thing's got chemistry all wrapped up, and it's looking pretty awesome. This Westy, this one was actually, we started a video for it, you can check out, was in for some work, and we ended up going quite a bit deeper into the electrical world. We'll follow up with that when we do more of a full-length video. This little nugget next to it is a 71 Bell. We've done quite a bit of work to this trailer over the years, and you can see we're just putting a new heater in there. Squeezing through over here. This is the Airstream that's in one of our piss poor videos. This guy is in the build stage right now. We've sorted all the electrical. We're doing some cabinetry, starting that phase of it. You can see the end cap that we made in here. The walls are all brushed. We're going to be painting. This is pretty cool. These window trim pieces are super hard to come by. They're all old brittle plastic and break apart. We're actually putting together some fiberglass ones for the client, so solving that issue. Here's the Shasta Air Flight we did a video on. We'll be doing another one. Next to that is a 16-foot tin bar. This is a trailer that we build from the ground up, and it's designed for parties and serving food out of. We'll do a follow-up video. This thing's came out really nice with the maple and walnut contrast, paper stone countertops. Like I said, we'll do a full-length video on it. Next to that, this is a 1991 Alaskan that is on a 2019 F350 with an aluminum service body. The interior of this camper has been restored. It is a work in progress. It's been painted. All the rotten wood has been replaced, and now it has walnut cabinetry. Next to that is a 70s Overlander. This actually has powered Fiamma awning on it that we custom bend the brackets for it to make it work. Control board there, and the power just kicked on in here. So this one's just about done, and we'll be heading out within the month. Teak floors in the bathroom. So nice walk-in wet bath, plenty of room in there. This is one of our more popular Airstream layouts with the center bath. Tables on a powered pedestal, back mount speakers, super large isotherm fridge in here. Samsung countertops. This guy right here is another 70s Overlander. We have sprayed paint on the interior. We did end caps for it. I'm not gonna walk in there and touch anything because it's drying paint. 59 Flying Cloud we'll do a video on that one in the future. We've had that one for quite a while. This is a Saab 9.5 Sport Combi Aero with a 5-speed manual. Just doing a little work on this. This is my daily driver. Collection of parts. Turbo core. Here's everything that's been replaced. Wheel bearings, water pump, tensioner, throttle body, intermediate shaft, timing chain, front main seal, and a whole bunch more. I probably forgot a bunch of stuff in that. Going to the back of the shop is a Travelese. You can see we've put a new roof on it. We fixed all rot that we found while the roof was off. Looks like we put a little power distribution block back there. That looks like a new water pump. Might be doing some propane stuff. I see some PEX lines. Let's take a look at what we got outside. Here's an Argosy. We've dropped the belly pan on this. We're inspecting it for rot and rust. We're also going to add a gray water tank to this. This did not have a water tank from the factory. This 90s Sun Chaser here, we just painted the interior, pulled apart the cabinetry and everything on there. Behind that is a 1970 something Barth motorhome that we're actually restoring. This thing's going to be beyond badass when it's done. Going further back here into the Boneyard, this bread loaf trailer, Westwood, I think 47. We're prepping the body. The chassis has been restored, and now we're getting ready to put the subfloor in. That is a 71 Alaskan camper, a fiberglass model. That's a 1950s Alaskan camper. This is a 1940s Curtis Wright. Here's another Overlander. Here's a Silver Streak that's for sale. Next to that is probably a 70s non-cab over 8-foot Alaskan camper. Next to that's a 64 Alaskan camper. Then we have this 47 Spartan sweet box truck, Globetrotter. Next to that, we cut a bar window into Ford F-250, looking pretty sorry for itself. I think that covers about everything that we have in the shop right now. Major projects that are going out, we are going to do some full-length videos on, but you can see we have our hands pretty full right now. That's it. Stay posted for more.